said, the purpose of life is to contribute in some way in making things better. The Interact Club of DLDAV Pitampura confirms with the statement. Its countless seminars and social activities stand testimony that the club aims to spread awareness and makes everyone's life better with each passing moment. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yashita, and I'm honored to welcome you all at the commencement of the installation ceremony of Rotary Club of DLDAV Pitampura for the year 2021-22. The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having some of them here with us to build this event. With this note, I would like to give my heartiest welcome to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Anita Vadera, President of Rotary Club of Delhi Akash 3012, Rotarian Gaurav Kayat, Charter President and Director of New Generation, Rotarian Vivek Sadana, Secretary of Rotary Club of Delhi Akash 3012, Rotarian Manmeet Kaur, and other honorable dignitaries. Any event is incomplete without DAV Gan, which highlights the fundamental principles on which our institution stands. So I request everybody to please get ready for DAV Gan.
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय DAV जय जय DAV जय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता ये धारा अक्षय DAV जय जय DAV जय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय DAV जय जय DAV जय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय लिए अटल निश्चय DAV जय जय DAV जय जय
No one lights a lamp in order to hide it behind the door. The purpose of light is to open people's eyes and to reveal the marvelous world around them. With this noble thought, let us start this event by lighting the lamp.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada Shatru buddhi vinashaya Deepajyotirnamostute Deepajyotirnamostute Shubham kurutvam kalyanam Arogyam dhanasampada.
Now, I would like to invite Principal Ma'am to enlighten us with her words.
मैम आप अनम्यूट कर लीजिए प्लीज.
Distinguished guests, Rotarian Gaurav Khyar, President Rotary Club Delhi Akash, Rotarian Vivek Sadana ji, Charter President Director New Generation, Rotarian Manmeet Kaur, Secretary, my teacher coordinator, Mrs. Neeti, Mrs. Sheetal, Mrs. Neelu, and her team of interactors, young children, parents, and my dear students. A warm welcome to all of you, and a very good afternoon, and namaste to all. It is my proud privilege to accord a warm welcome to illustrious guests today, fellow Rotarians, to the installation ceremony of the new Interact team of Rotary Club of Delhi Akash of DLDAV Pitampura. We have with us today eminent dignitaries who have been playing a stellar role by devoting themselves to the Rotary ideal of service before self and continuing to go the extra mile in carrying out the many worthwhile projects that the club undertakes for the benefit of the community, society, nation, and the world. The club has been built on a strong leadership foundation, and it is a joy to see how it is transmitting these essential traits into children. I feel proud to share that the school, DLDL Pitampura, has been associated with the club for more than 2 decades. The association has culminated into several social service programs that the students have undertaken under the aegis of Arya Yuva Club and Rotary Club. Whether it is blood donation, thalassemia awareness campaign, visits and donations to Seva Bharati, daily deposition of rotis under Roti Bank, or gratitude gesture to teachers and employees on special days, the interactors have marched forward to lead as well as serve, upholding the vision of a school. The compassion and ability to open their hearts to those in need, combined with their commitment to share their time, talent, and treasures with those who are less fortunate, is what causes these interactors to do the extraordinary things that they do. It is what makes Rotary and DAV RS March so magical. The essence of great leadership, dear students, is ownership. I am confident that the new team of interactors will bring significant and positive changes in the society as leaders. I have already seen the energy, enthusiasm, and commitment that you all have displayed in activities of the club in our school throughout the years. I congratulate you all and hope that through your efforts, you students will develop leadership skills and personal integrity, demonstrate helpfulness and respect for others, understand the value of individual responsibility and hard work, and advance international understanding and goodwill. You will carry forward the ethos and values of true DAVian and Rotarian, and you all will make me proud with your actions. Last but not least, I would like to congratulate my team of dedicated teachers who are always inspiring and motivating you, dear students, to be true Aryans, true human beings, and have organized today's virtual function. Of course, with your help only. I once again thank the esteemed guests for sparing valuable time from their busy schedules to grace the occasion and bless our dear students. Your presence is indeed a great source of motivation for all of us. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Indian classical dance is sustained by a profound philosophy. Form seeks to merge with the formless motion, seek to become a part of the motionless. And the dancing individual seeks to become one with the eternal dance of cosmos. So without further ado, please put your hands together for Swarna of class 9 to present a mesmerizing Bharatanatyam routine. Sometimes it only takes a couple of good songs to bring back thousands of good memories. So, are you excited to listen to some brilliant songs? Hence, let's enjoy these songs by Ishita of class 10 and Karina Garg and Lakshay Kaushik of class 12.
तेरी ही बोले बोलूंगी मैं, तेरी ही बाणी गाऊंगी मैं, तेरे शकदा चोला पहन के मैं तुझ में ही रंग जाऊंगी, तेरे शकदा चूड़ा पहन के मैं तुझ में ही सज जाऊंगी, मैं नचती फिरा बन चन बले हो, मैं नचती फिरा चम चम चलिए हो।
जिस यार तेरी शहनाई उस यार में भागूंगी, तुझसे तो मांगूंगी, तू इश्क इश्क सा मेरे रूह में आके बस जा, जिस यार तेरी शहनाई उस यार में भागूंगी।
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास, आशाएं आशाएं आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार, आशाएं आशाएं आशा तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल उन
Thank you so much, Ishita, Parina, and Lakshya for entertaining us. President of Rotary Club of Delhi, Akash 3012, Rotarian Gaurav Kayat, is here with us now. So, a very heartiest welcome to you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I could be just right now I'm driving, so I'm just not able to talk to you properly. So I really congratulate everyone, principal ma'am, or dignitaries over here. So just continue with the program. I'll be joining in between.
Sure, sir.
Thank you so much.
Now, I would like to invite Aryan to present the annual report of the club.
Service above self is the motto of Rotary Club, which was fulfilled by the Interact team despite of the pandemic by continuing their work through online platform. The year began with the installation of the cabinet and the addition of new Interact members, where 4 Interacts received blue ties for their remarkable contribution to the club. Just after that, we organized the virtual talk on thalassemia by Dr. Tejendra Singh, in which she guided the students about the disease, which ended with a Q&A session. The year was full of stress for the adults as well as for the students. To create awareness about staying fit mentally as well as physically during the pandemic, the club organized an interactive virtual session on physical and mental fitness by dietitian Nilima Thakur, in which she shared with the students about natural food intakes to increase immunity and many more. On the occasion of Independence Day, the club organized an online kite making competition, and the top 3 kites got first, second and third position respectively, which encouraged the students to bring out their creativity in the time of pandemic. Then comes the occasion of Rakhi, in which all the Interacts made their Rakhis themselves. On 5 September, the Teachers' Day, the Interact Club made beautiful handmade cards and digital flipbooks to thank their teachers for their service. Our club participated in Fit India Fit School, in which Interacts shared small clips while working out to share their enthusiasm. In the month of October, Interact Club of DLDAV also collaborated with the Interact Club of Maharaja Agrasen Public School Ashok Vihar to organize the Shara Delights, an online fun event filled with games and various interesting activities. We managed to get around 150 responses, which included students and teachers from both the schools. On the occasion of Diwali, the club organized a Diwali contest that included Rangoli making and Masti Kilkario or Sundar Bhavnao Ki Diwali, in which the student participated enthusiastically by submitting a video while making their Rangoli and expressing their joy over how the pandemic hasn't affected their festive vibes. The winners of both the contests were awarded cash prizes. Under the project Patrika, just like the last time, this year also, the club donated notebooks made by recycled paper to the students of Seva Bharati School. Our Interact Club believes that best way to declutter any closet is by giving them to the needy. Keeping this in mind, Interact Club of DLDAV donated woolen clothes to the children of Seva Bharati School. The club also took an initiative to fight against the COVID in the best way possible by donating face masks to the staff of the school. The Interacts were also taught to make masks at home. Roti Bank is a regular event by the Interact Club of DLDAV Model School to help feed the hungry. In the month of February, the schools were reopened and the team again set up boxes in the school campus, and the students and teacher helped the Interacts by getting fruits, biscuit packets, etc. and keeping them in these boxes. On the occasion of Holi, the club organized Herbal Gulal sale, in which we sold organic gulal made up of flowers and raised around 2000 rupees, which was donated to help the needy. In the month of April, the Rotary District Organization 3012 organized a webinar called as P2P, Practice to Perfect, a skill building initiative in which Interact Club participated enthusiastically that encouraged the students to enhance their overall skills. The club collaborated with UNESCO Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Education for Peace and Sustainable Development for its unique campaign, Kindness Matters. The participants were referred to as kindness actors and were asked to give their stories of real and authentic kindness acts done or seen. The club was also a part of Teens for Seva, an initiative taken by Seva Bharati for the students. The Interact Club participated in this initiative by engaging with less fortunate children and providing help to them in learning new skills like painting, art and craft, storytelling, etc. The matter of environmental protection is of utmost urgency because of the maximum danger that the environment is in right now. Taking care of the same, students planted tree samplings to make the environment more greener and clean. In the month of June, Interact Club participated in E-Raila 2021 Phoenix Rising from the Ashes held by Rotary International District 3012. The event was very entertaining and informative at the same time. The pandemic had a big impact on lives of everyone, but some people were affected the most. So Interact Club of DLDAV took the initiative of helping people around us by distributing rotis, biscuit and other food items to the daily workers. At the end, I have to say that I had the privilege of working with an amazing team, and I hope the next cabinet will reach even higher landmark of success.
The club is the story about the group of around 50 interacts from class 9th to 12th and teacher coordinators Mrs. Neeti Khan, Dr. Sheetal Rajvanshi and Mrs. Neelu Kalra, who by their simple, elegant acts are striving hard to bring a gregarious change in the lives of underprivileged and the declining environment. The club is making a remarkable progress under the school's dynamic principle. With the motivation of teachers and the hard work of Interact, our school has bagged Gold Club Award for the year 2020 and 21. Our club member, Chehek Oberoi of class 11th, is selected as the ZIR of Rotary Akash 3012 for Zone 13 for the year 2021 and 22. Indeed, a very proud moment for the club. Now, Chehek is here to show her gratitude towards the club.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Interact Chehek Oberoi, selected as ZIR for District 3012. I recall the day 10th of June when interviews for DIR ZIR, the goal for most of the interacts, were finally happening after a delay of 2 months. Though Niti ma'am had already filled me with positive energy with her kind and motivational words, I was quite apprehensive about my performance in ZIR interview. Although I gave my interview keeping in view all the special highlighted points, I was quite happy with my interview, and I was very inquisitive about the results when finally I got a call at 3 from Rotarian Mukesh Gupta, the Interact Chair for tenure 2021 to 22, congratulating me for becoming a ZIR. My happiness had no bounds. I immediately called Niti ma'am and informed her about the result and thanked her for the support and the guidance she gave. I heartily thank Principal ma'am for motivating all of us to take up new challenges. The tenure started on 1st July and I was given schools from Zone 13 covering Ghaziabad and Gurgaon area. My duty is not only to interact with the interacts of these schools, but also to motivate them to do justice to the motto, serve to change lives. And I'm pretty sure, with the blessings of Principal ma'am, my all 3 teacher in charges, Niti ma'am, Sheetal ma'am, Neelu ma'am, and of course, Vivek Sadana sir, I would do justice to my post and become a role model for all the interacts. I would also like to thank last year Interact members, my cabinet members, and my dear faithful friends who showed faith in me. Thank you.
One of our Interact members, Swapnil Mehta, participated in MUN Diplomacia 3012 and secured a high commendation in the UNHRC committee. Our school also got the award for Best Delegation. Now Swapnil is here to share his experience.
Hello everyone, myself Swapnil Mehta of class 11. Today, I have been given an opportunity to share my experiences of Model United Nations. As for now, I have done around 10 sessions. To start with, what is a MUN for me? It is a source where I can use my productive energy. It is a source where I can come to know actually how the political world functions. MUNs taught me how to research about almost anything, whether the topics are as large as feminism or as personal as self-evaluation. Confidence to speak publicly in front of a large number of people or convince a committee of 100 members, I was able to learn only by experiencing it in MUN sessions. MUN helps me utilize my energy into things that actually matter rather than wasting it on the misuse of social media apps or any app as such. My interest lies in challenging people on actual facts, fighting for the rights of public where I can change opinions and superstitions of people. Every MUN I have been in, I learned something new, such as how to research better, how to make my points clear in front of everyone, how to use an official language, and how to convince people to join me. But most importantly, I learned international courtesy. I want to thank our school, principal ma'am, and the Interact Club to think of me as deserving enough to participate in MUNs and open a new door of opportunity for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chehak and Swapnil. The club is indeed very proud of you. Now, I request Aryan Verma, the president of the club, to take over from here.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to begin with the installation ceremony of the club. I am feeling honored to announce the names of the best interacts who will receive the prestigious blue tie. The first person to get the tie is Piyush Chandelier, the vice president of our club. Next is Ishan Gupta, the secretary of the club. After him is Yashita, the treasurer. And the fourth proud winner of the blue tie is Chehak Oberoi. Heartiest congratulations to them. And now, the most awaited moment, the announcement of our new cabinet has arrived. Now the old cabinet will hand over their responsibilities to the new one by exchanging the pins. I, Aryan Verma, will hand over my responsibilities to our new president, Swapnil Mehta. Chehak Oberoi, the new vice president, will take charge from Piyush Chandelier. Ishan Gupta will pass on his duties to the new secretary, Dhairya Gupta. Sanidhya Jain, the new treasurer, will take charge from Yashita respectively. Congratulations and all the best to the new team. And now back to you, Yashita.
Now, all the interacts will be awarded certificates from Rotary Club of Delhi Akash 3012. A big round of applause for their hard work. Interacts wholeheartedly worked in projects like Roti Bank, Teams for Seva, and many more. The new interacts who are going to join us this year are Vanshika Roy, Shivan Shah Chavla, Vedant Malhotra, Swarnima Jha, Isha Sharma, Anvi Dagur, Takshu Jain, Dhriti Garg, Vriti Kanodia, Gungun Jain, Janvi Basin, Devanshi Sharma, Swarna, and Sumedha Chauhan. The Interact Club welcomes you all. The newly elected president of the club, Swapnil Mehta, is a multifaceted personality who believes that success is a sum of small efforts repeated continuously and continually. He is a passionate learner with the potential of breathing life into his aspirations. We wish him grand success. He, along with his team, will take oath to lead the club from the front with his commitment, confidence, and competence. I now request Swapnil Mehta, the new president, along with all the interacts, to come forward and take the oath.
We, the members of the Interact Club, hereby pledge that we shall, in all our actions, reflect the spirit and values of the club. We shall promote and fulfill Rotary's motto of service above self. Thank you.
Rotarian Gaurav Kayat, President of Rotary Club of Delhi Akash 3012, is a founder of Mafik Entertainment, an event management and a performing arts company. As a social worker, he established a society named Yuva Kalakari Ab Aapki Bari, where more than 2,000 underprivileged kids are given free course of training in performing arts. Now, Rotarian Manmeet Kaur is a WordPress expert and online business educator who has 7 years of work experience in Rotaract, serving at different positions. I would like to invite Rotarian Manmeet Kaur, Secretary of Rotary Club of Delhi Akash, to inspire us.
Thank you so much, Ishita. Thank you so much. First of all, very good afternoon to Anita Vadera ma'am, the faculty here, and my very, Please Interact team. First of all, I'm amazed to see the kind of projects you've done in the last year, and especially the Roti Bank. I really love that idea. That is something our society needs right now. And when the presentation was going on, I somehow felt, this would be the end of the presentation. This would be the end of presentation, but it just kept going on. Felt like that, you guys didn't stop. You were on a roll for the entire year, despite the kind of challenges that you faced in the pandemic. And with that, I would like to congratulate the new team under Swapnil Mehta. And I wish you that you're going to take the baton forward and perform even better in the coming year. Now, here today, what I see is future leaders, and the society today needs leaders like you. And the very first action of success is this virtual event that you've organized in such a spectacular manner. Everything is spick and span. I have already taken my notes for the Rotary installation. So, today I thought that I was down on a memory lane because this was somehow my journey coming from an interactor, then a Rotaractor, and then a Rotarian. So I thought somebody's taken me back to my school days and, is taking me through my own journey, and I felt very connected the whole time. Now, I would like to take a minute to share my journey, that how did Interact, Rotaract, and Rotary add in my life let's say, to how to take a life wherein I could survive myself. So as an interactor, when I joined college, and as a Rotaractor, when I got into my first job, I knew all the basic skills. I knew how to write an email. I knew how to conduct a team. I knew how to organize an event. I knew how to draft a newsletter. I knew everything basics that people would, eventually learn in the 6 months of their job. I knew how to do that. And after the job, when I decided to switch to business, it helped me even more because taking up positions in Rotary and Rotaract helped me become a leader in position. Taking the secretary of, taking up the position of secretary in Rotaract district organization, then being a president of Rotaract, taught me that how to lead a club, how to take your members along with you. And that is what I would like to tell you. Seeing you today, I feel the same thing, that you guys have already learned those skills. And once you pass out of your 12th, once you're going to join your Rotaract, all these skills are going to help you be one step ahead of everybody else who's not choosing to be a part of this community. And now that the baton is in our hands, I am in leadership. It will be unfair to say that I would not want to add to the skill set of the year that I have been given. There are some programs that we've planned for the interactors for this tenure, which are going to be flagship projects or projects that could be taken up by the school. I would like the president to make the note of it. And whenever you have dates, if you think this is a project that could be done by the club, you could take it up. The first and the foremost is going to be the installation of the club that we are soon going to announce the date. The second one is going to be professional development workshops, which we would like to organize for the Interact Club. Now, these workshops are going to be divided in 2 halves. The first is going to be for the classes 6 to 8. Now, you as Interact Club could organize these workshops, and it is not mandatory for only interactors to attend. All the members of the school can attend this. Now, these are free workshops, 2-day free workshops. For classes 6 to 8, we have workshops for entrepreneurship to build a mindset of an entrepreneur if they want to get into business. after their 12th. For 9 to 12, we'll be, teaching how to design no-code websites, because that is a skill that help people in their job or in their business when they get ahead. After that, we would also be opening up some internship programs for event management, as all of you are already, super expert in event management. For the other members of the school as well, we'd be opening internships for the event management to give them a little hand-holding for their professional development, because we all understand with the school education, skill education is also coming up. Then we would also, since the pandemic and the health that is of utmost importance, we would also like to organize a yoga workshop, again a 2-day workshop. This could be for the parents of interactors as well. This will be open for the parents as well, and the students can also join in. Now there is this one initiative that we are bringing up, which is going to be exclusive, and we are still in process of launching it. This would be called as Rotary Networking for Business. So this is going to be a platform where people are going to be connected purely for the purpose of business as well. This is not only open for Rotarians, but this is open for everybody who is not a part of the Rotary family, but would like to get references to grow their business. This is open for the parents of the students. This is open for the family members of the teachers in the school who would like to grow their business by becoming a part of the community. Now, we have not yet decided what would be the fees, but it would be somewhere between 1,000 to 1,500 for 6 months, wherein every week we are going to organize one online meeting where all the members come together, they ask for references for their business, and they give references for business, so all the people could grow together. So this is one event, one flagship plan that is in process, and we are soon going to be launching it. And if at all there are any parents or any members of the teachers who are interested in this kind of program, so we'll be soon launching it in the next 2 months. And apart from this, we'll be soon planning the 6-month calendar, which you guys will be hearing to on the installation ceremony. Apart from that, I wish congratulations to all of you here, and I would like to thank all the faculty members for being an amazing support to the interactors. And I'm always available. I'm always a call away. I'm always a mail away. You can always reach me. And I hope to see an amazing year and reaching the benchmark that's already been set by the last year. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are definitely looking forward for the upcoming projects. Sadhana sir has always motivated and inspired all of us. I would request him to empower our new interacts as well.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Mrs. Vadera, teachers, Neeti ma'am, Shefali ma'am, Sheetal ma'am, and Neelu ma'am, and my young friends. I call them Young Brigade. They've been doing exceedingly well. And my association with DLDAV goes way back, like 24 years. Since 97, I've been associated with DLDAV. Then Mrs. Makhija was the principal. And the students have taken, the baton from that point to, a next level every year. Very, very satisfying and happy to see that, they're taking it forward, and the teachers and the school management is supporting them to the maximum. To be very, very honest, not many principals have been joining the installation. I'm really grateful to Mrs. Vadera for taking time out and then supporting all the students all the time. I would like to congratulate the new team led by Swapnil and then Chehek, who is the ZIR now. Congratulations, Chehek. And then we've got Dhare, the secretary, and Sanidhya, the treasurer. The outgoing president, Aryan, we have done wonderfully well. But then there is always scope of improvement. We can always do better. Whatever we are doing, at times we have got a gold reward from the district. I believe we still can improve that, and this year we will be aiming for a higher recognition from the district also. This has not been declared so far, but then let me just announce it here that DLDAV is getting the runner-up trophy for the year 2021. So congratulations to you, Aryan, and the team. They've been working very, very hard for this time when everybody had been at home due to pandemic, and then still we have been able to do a lot of projects. Congratulations to you. And the new team or the new members who have joined, they must have joined with a purpose. You must be knowing कि Rotary is, service above self. इसके लिए किसी ने कहा है कि जरूरी तो नहीं कि सजदे हों हर वक्त और उसमें खुदा का नाम आए. जरूरी तो नहीं कि सजदे हों हर वक्त और उसमें खुदा का नाम आए. जिंदगी खुद एक इबादत है, शर्त यह है कि किसी के काम आए. When we do something for somebody and we bring a smile on somebody's face, the satisfaction you get, this can only be experienced. It cannot be explained. You can't tell somebody कि मैंने इसके लिए कुछ किया और उसके चेहरे पे जो मुस्कुराहट आई, वो उससे मेरे को कितनी खुशी हुई. You can only experience it. You can't tell somebody कि नहीं मेरे को इसमें ऐसा मिला. So, I mean, I expect the new team led by Swapnil to do even better, and then I'm sure इस ईयर अभी हमारे पास में एक ZIR है. Next year we should have a DIR from DLDAV, and we should lead the entire Interact fraternity. And we have got Gaurav and Manmeet. Both are very, very young, and we are all available 24 hours. Whenever you want us for any service, please contact us. Wishing you all the very best, and thank you so much.
So much, sir. The words are indeed very inspiring. Now, I would like to invite Mrs. Neeti Kant to extend a vote of thanks.
Ma'am, please unmute.
You're mute.
Sorry. Good afternoon, everyone. It is my esteemed pleasure to propose vote of thanks on behalf of Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Anita Vadera. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to her only because she has provided us with a platform where we can hone leadership qualities as well as teamwork in the interacts, even in this pandemic time. Ma'am, thank you so much. And secondly, my heartfelt thanks to Sardana sir. He is backbone of our club. Extremely helpful, always smiling, always interactive. He is the friend with the interacts. I have to learn many things from you, sir. Thank you so much. Then Manmeet ma'am, you are so young. Still, your words have motivated our interacts. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I want to assure you that whatever projects you will come out, we will try to follow them. We will try to keep them. Right, ma'am? Thank you.
If you could just give me a minute, I'm very, very young to you. I would really be happy if you address me by my name and you don't call me ma'am. I'm extremely young, so if you could just call me Manmeet, that will be okay.
Next time we will meet, I will call you Manmeet, huh?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I know. Thank you so much, Manmeet.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I need your cooperation in the upcoming year.
Yes, ma'am, I'll be there.
Right. Rotarian Gaurav sir couldn't join us, though his sheer voice presence in the form of his few words. Yeah, I got the message. Thank you, Gaurav sir. Thank you very much for your motivation. I hope our interacts will not disappoint you. Then, behind this, all the my colleague, I always prefer to call her, and Neelu ma'am, for constantly supporting throughout the year in all the activities. शीतल तो अभी भी ऐसे बात करती है कि जैसे मैं उसकी टीचर अभी भी टीचर हूँ. She always takes permission to come to class before talking to me. Thank you, teacher. And behind this successful program, we have a committed council members of faith. I would like to thank very good tireless throughout last week, day and night, to make this program a success. Thank you so much, Pita. Keep it up, and I hope before leaving this club, but you will not forget your values we have instilled in you. Thank you so much. Many, many congratulations to Interacts who have won this blue ties for their outstanding performances. I hope you will achieve higher. And at last, my best wishes to outgoing Interacts for their bright future, and I hope they will continue to live up to club's motto, सर ने जैसे बोला, सर्विस बिफोर सेल्फ। दूसरों की हेल्प करो तो आपको पता चलेगा, यू एक्सपीरियंस इट, सिर्फ बोलने के लिए नहीं बेटा, लेकिन एक्सपीरियंस करो तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। And I want to welcome new team. I hope you will scale new heights. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And it is our honor that we got the opportunity to host this event.
1 minute. Please, all the Interacts will not leave the meeting because Principal Ma'am wants to talk to you. Sardana sir, we will give you a new link after 10 minutes. Swapnil will send so that we will join along with the Interacts. Manmeet, you can also join, right? Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Now, I would request everybody to please get ready for Shanti Path.
शांति अंतरिक्षं शांति पृथ्वी शांतिरापः शांतिरोषधयः शांतिः वनस्पतयः शांतिर्विश्वे देवा शांति ब्रह्म शांतिः सर्वगं शांति शांतिरेव शांतिः सामा शांतिरेधि ॐ शांति शांति शांति